Désolé, j'ai commencé à parler, mon micro n'était pas encore allumé. Mesdames et messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Samuel Ngon et je suis très heureux d'être devant vous ce soir, une fois de plus. Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi, le 14 janvier 2025 et il est 19 heures passées de 16 minutes, temps de New York. Alors nous voulons vous dire bonsoir, particulièrement à ceux qui regardent nos programmes dans tout le monde entier, peu importe votre localité. Alors nous vous souhaitons bienvenue et nous sommes très très heureux d'ouvrir notre chaîne cet après-midi ou ce soir, après que je puisse avoir passé une journée pleine dans notre activité de construction. J'ai beaucoup travaillé aujourd'hui et alors j'ai pu me préparer pour être ici à cette heure-ci afin de présenter ce direct que je suis en train de faire. Alors, chers traders, je vous dis bienvenue encore une fois de plus. Et aujourd'hui, c'est une nouvelle session, la session 9 que nous allons passer aujourd'hui. Alors, tous les jours, nous allons faire l'effort d'être ici présent afin d'animer notre chaîne YouTube. Alors, comme notre chaîne est bilingue, je vais aussi accueillir ceux qui parlent la langue anglaise. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel, Trade Africa. I am Samuel Ngon and I'm very, very happy to be here this afternoon, this evening. I thank God to help me to be here and to honor this appointment because this is very, very, very important for me to show up here because that was my promise saying that we're going to, from this year on, we will see how we gotta every day being here, learn how to trade little by little, we will get there, ladies and gentlemen. So, today is Tuesday, February 14. Already February, January 14, 2025, ladies and gentlemen, and it's already 18 minutes past 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So I'm grateful to be here. Let me tell you, trading the market, no matter which market you're trading, whether it's cryptocurrencies, it's a stock market, it's a Forex, it's a future, it's option, or whatever is the market, it's an opportunity. Because people who are trading the market, they're not small people. That is a big shot. Big people in the world who trade the market, intelligent people. So sitting here behind your desk and pretending to play with those people is a privilege. Let me tell you, it's a big privilege because it's not everybody who can sit here and read this language. Just the fact that you are able to read the language of trading, you gotta feel yourself that you're blessed, because it's like a doctor, it's like whoever, anatomy, being able to do this is great, already great. And without forgetting that the outcome here might be, not only money, it might also shape you, and maybe change the way you see things. So, being here is an opportunity, and that is why we're going to implement, we're going to, see how we can take this one, in our, how can I say, to change our life. That is the word. So, for that reason, we're going to be here. People who might feel that they're wasting their time being, coming here on the stock market. So what I'm saying, I hope all of you are hearing me, Chelsea. By the way, before going forward, I wanted, as I was saying, that I'm welcoming all of you and say good evening to everybody. Chelsea always with us. She's supporting this channel and she gives the best, her best, her time and her support, and we are very, very grateful for her, because she always tuning in on time and she support us. Chelsea want to say thank you for you, for your support. So, and I hope now you guys are hearing me very well. The people who doesn't hear me, you can let me know that you guys are not hearing me properly. As the time goes, we're going to figure out how to improve our channel. Maybe we gotta improve the microphone. Maybe we improve the quality of our video. Maybe our camera. We're going to improve a lot of things as the time goes. This country, United States, didn't build it one day. It took a lot of time for people to build this country. So likewise, when you start something, you gotta improve along the way. You keep improving it. This is what we're here to do. We're going to improve our channel and going to improve the way we do things. We're going to improve a lot, even the way we trade. Regularity is important because when you're regular, consistency, you're consistent on something, you will see the mistake you're making. And now along the way, you improve those mistakes and now you become a professional person. So that is what we intended to do here, ladies and gentlemen. We're not saying that we're already there. We're not saying that we're a professional trader. We're not claiming that our video or our channel is professional. We still amateur, but as the time goes, we'll improve things. That is why we want to do it together with all of you, together. Those who are willing to join us and, trade with us. We're not forcing anybody, People want, you don't need to watch our video, you don't need to follow us, you don't have to if you don't want to. So we're talking about those who are interested, So that is what we want to do here. Today we're going to check the market. Yesterday the market was very, very slow. Yesterday versus what happened on Sunday. Sunday the market moved, but yesterday things was a little bit tight and slow, and we end up losing a little bit money yesterday. But today we're going to see how the market going to respond, going to behave, and accordingly we will place our trade. So, mesdames, mesdemoiselles, messieurs, nous disions que ici, nous n'allons pas dire ça assez. Le trading est une activité très très difficile et très compliquée. Pour cette raison, nous vous encourageons à chercher d'abord l'éducation. Vous pouvez l'avoir pour l'éducation, vous pouvez l'avoir n'importe où. Vous pouvez acheter les cours. Voilà, vous pouvez aller à YouTube, chercher certaines choses à YouTube. Et aussi, vous pouvez nous suivre. Bon, mais nous n'avons pas les cours de Forex encore dans notre chaîne, mais nous avons les cours du stock. Mais ce que je vais vous faire comprendre est que le trading, c'est le trading. Les cours du stock market, la seule chose qui différencie est l'élément que vous tradez. Ici, c'est la devise, comment dirais-je, l'échange monétaire. Mais on appelle le trading parce que c'est défini par la bougie. Lorsque la bougie est rouge, elle est verte, elle monte, ou elle est rouge, elle descend. Et les mêmes analyses techniques sont là. Donc, si vous comprenez le trading en général, vous allez trader toute qualité de marché. parce que ça se définit par le support et la résistance. Donc, pour cette raison, nous vous disons de faire vos propres analyses, vos propres recherches. Et si vous voulez trade, vous ne devez pas trade avec l'argent propre, vous devez commencer par le compte démo. Nous insistons là-dessus. Même si vous voulez trade avec nous, le compte démo, parce que vous aurez d'abord l'envie de connaître votre plateforme, vous aurez à connaître, apprendre petit à petit le langage technique, et en plus, s'il arrive que vous puissiez aller avec l'argent propre, ne mettez pas beaucoup d'argent, un tout petit peu suffira pour vous. Alors, ce n'est pas la quantité d'argent qui compte, mais c'est la régularité et c'est le progrès. Petit à petit, nous y arriverons. On ne bâtit pas un immeuble le même jour. On ne devient pas, ou bien une langue, on n'apprend pas une langue le même jour. Petit à petit, ça viendra. Alors, aujourd'hui, nous allons chercher moins à d'abord observer le marché, ce que le marché fera aujourd'hui. Après ça, nous allons voir s'il y a des opportunités. Hier, les choses ont été un peu difficiles par rapport à dimanche. Dimanche, il y a eu un bon mouvement. Ça a été positif. Mais hier, ça n'a pas été le cas. Donc, nous allons voir ce que le marché nous réservera aujourd'hui. Nous avons ici Euro Australie qui essaie un peu de mouvementer un tout petit peu. Nous allons essayer de garder l'œil dessus et aussi d'autres tickets que nous allons devoir analyser. Comme je disais en français, en anglais, nous remercions beaucoup ceux qui nous supportent. Voilà, dans notre début. Voilà. Et au fur et à mesure que le temps passera, nous allons améliorer beaucoup de choses dans notre chaîne. Nous n'allons pas nous décourager. Non. Si certains pensent que nous allons nous décourager, nous ne le ferons pas. Et nous n'avons pas fait cette chaîne pour un individu particulier ou bien un groupe de personnes. Non. Cette chaîne est d'abord parce que nous aimons le trading et elle sera là. Aussi longtemps que nous serons en vie, nous allons la garder. C'est pour cette raison que nous remercions beaucoup Chelsea qui nous supporte tous les jours. Elle nous supporte, elle tune in. Elle est là présente, elle fait les commentaires et elle nous supporte totalement. Nous remercions aussi beaucoup d'autres, certains de nos correspondants qui sont peut-être en Afrique, en Europe, voilà, qui nous supportent aussi. Nous les disons merci de tout le support qu'ils ou elles nous apportent. Voilà, je ne vais pas tellement mentionner les noms, mais je sais que plein de gens nous supportent de par le monde entier. Et petit à petit, nous allons améliorer la qualité du son, peut-être la qualité des vidéos. Au fur et à mesure que le temps passera, nous allons aussi améliorer beaucoup d'autres choses dans notre arsenal. Donc, pour l'instant, même beaucoup de bruit que vous entendez derrière le background, peut-être nous améliorerons ces bruits. Donc, pour l'instant, nous allons essayer de voir ce que nous pourrons faire. Nous allons nous contenter avec ce que nous avons pour l'instant. Voilà. Donc, prenez vos places, chers traders, et nous allons voir ce que nous pourrons faire. Nous voyons ici le ticker de Euro Australie qui est un peu en train de se dire presque sur la résistance. Mais notre œil est là. On observe. Voilà. On observe ce ticker. On va voir ce qu'il fera. Ladies and gentlemen, our eyes is on our watch list. We can figure out and see if something is moving. Today, I gotta be careful and what to see, follow my plan, because following the plan is very important during the when you're trading, you know, because plan is a strategy. When you have your strategy, you have to follow it and follow your plan. So for that reason, I want to take something which is clear that is moving. I will take it. But at this point, I have to observe, spending time to observe very well before I go through. So, because I'm very careful today, I don't want to have a losing day like what I had yesterday. Trader, is important to always come over here, tuning in and checking the market. Even though you lost one day, what you have to pay attention is what? The way you trade, your process. Your process is very, very important than your outcome. Why do we say that? We're saying that because you might, trading is a little bit, how can I say? It's difficult to understand because you might make mistake and making money on trade. You're making mistake and making money. And you trade properly, you keep making money. It's possible. Or you trade properly, you're losing money. Okay. What are you going to choose? The person who is trading, how can I say? The person who is not trading properly and making money versus the person who is trading properly but losing money. Which one are you going to pick? I know many people are going to say that the outcome of what we're doing, outcome is money, right? It's true. But in the long run, those two people will the person who is trading properly will, make things better. Give me a few seconds. Let me. I need to. Sorry about that, traders. Okay, so let me see also check Australia cat here. We have Australia cat here, a little bit coming down, but we need to keep our eyes on it as well. So I was saying that those two people, in the long run, the person who trade, who have a good process of trading or who trade properly, will remain in the market. Whereas the person who doesn't trade properly, but who's making money right now, it won't last longer because it will, when things will turn over, you know, it will make a big mistake and finally blow up his account. That is the point, you know. So that is why it's important. The process of trading is very, very important. The process includes your money management, your strategy. You know, you have to include the money management. Money management is the key. All kind of trading, people always talk about money management. Why? Because money management keeps you alive. It's true. Money management keeps you alive. That is why when you trade, you need a good process, including money management, clearly including money management. Because we need to see how you manage the money. That will help you to remain alive. That is the point. Cher trader, je disais que lorsque nous tradons, nous devons particulièrement penser au processus du trading. Le trading, généralement, fait ceci. Vous tradez mal, vous gagnez. Et peut-être, vous décidez de trader bien, vous perdez l'argent. Ok. Alors, pourquoi est-ce que vous devez bien trader, même si vous perdez l'argent? Parce que c'est ça qui vous gardera en vie. Le processus. Mais lorsque vous faites l'argent ou bien vous perdez l'argent dans un trade, ce n'est pas seulement, vous ne devez pas seulement aller sur le trade prochain, mais il faut analyser, voir, regarder, pourquoi est-ce que j'ai perdu ici? Est-ce que je peux faire mieux? Alors ces questions vous aideront à analyser et savoir la prochaine fois ce que vous deviez faire. Bien, vous devez plus recommettre la même erreur. C'est comme j'ai un trade ici que j'ai pris dans mon stream. Ces trades-là n'ont pas marché. C'est-à-dire, je n'ai pas eu le gain que j'avais besoin. Alors, c'est allé contre moi. Tous les 3 trades que j'ai pris, voilà, ça s'est mal passé. Je suis en train de passer le temps à revenir sur ces trades pour pouvoir réfléchir ce qui s'est passé. Pourquoi est-ce que ces trades n'ont pas marché chez trader? Donc, c'est ça. J'ai quelqu'un ici qui me gêne un peu. Je vais répondre et après, je vais fermer mon téléphone. All right. So, c'est ainsi qu'il faut bien trader parce que lorsque nous tradons bien, Ça va nous empêcher dans les regrets inutiles. Voilà. Donc, le processus, c'est quoi? Le processus, c'est la façon dont le plan, la façon dont vous tradez, votre entrée et votre sortie. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Est-ce que vous avez pris un trade par un coup de tête? Bien, parce que vous aviez vu que le trade montait et que ça voulait vous laisser, vous avez sauté dessus. Alors, c'est des questions qu'il faut se poser lorsqu'on trade pour voir le processus. Votre processus doit être bien et ça va vous aider à vous habituer à faire ce qui est bien. Voilà. So, traders, I'm watching Euro Australia. Still my eyes there. Euro Australia for the break here. If you break here, maybe you might, see something. You might see it going to this point. Let me change the time frame. Let me go to 15 minutes and see. Okay, we are here in 15 minute candle. 15-minute candle here. It broke here, and this is the top resistance. Trader is already there on the top resistance almost. So we need to wait and see if you're going to break here and continue, So let's wait and see. Sorry, I'm checking here my other platform. I told you I have 4 monitors here, ladies and gentlemen. And you guys are just seeing what you guys see here is just one of those four monitors. So sometimes I'm working in a different monitor. Sometimes I'm just working on different monitor here. One of those, I'm sorry about the background noise. Let's see Australia card here. Let me change the time frame 15 minutes. Let me see. This is Australia, Canada. Let's see what we can do here, ladies and gentlemen. Took it in my other platform. Maybe I'll figure out if it's something I can take here as my first trade. Okay, no, because it's on the resistance, it's on the support at this point also on the support. So let me fix this those keys. Sorry, trader. So this is not quite good because there is a support at this area here for the reversal. I don't see it properly. That is why you have to change the time frame in order to, okay. Let me check Eurocat, which Chelsea you're talking about. Eurocat. Let me check Eurocat for. Okay, this is Eurocat. This 15-minute Eurocat for. Yeah, when we see a rejection like this one, yeah, it might look good. See a rejection. This is 15 minutes. Let me check 4 hours with a trade. Let me see. Uh, 4 hours there. Let me go to daily chart. Anyway, this rebound is very significant. Significant. I mean, sorry, it's really significant. This rebounds here. I like it. I like these rebounds or the green candle. This is a green candle. I like it very well. The only problem here is that we don't have too much support on top here. Not too much support. I don't know, because we don't have this support here, this support, this resistance, and this support. Okay, maybe we have few here. So, and we're going to the downside. So maybe we can try the short here and place our stop on top, above here. That is what I'm thinking. If we try, we place our stop above this the top of this candle. I think it will be fine. We just try it because So, but anyway, we don't have a lot of support on this trade, as you can see. Not too much support there, but according to what I see, we have here, for the 4 hours. So, good entry. You can enter here and now placing our stop above this candle. That is what I see here, because we have a first red candle. The first red candle is the 4 hours, and if we place our stop above this, is also a little bit far away, unless you take a small position, very small position, To me, I gotta wait a little bit and expect maybe expect it to come down to close this candle. If you close this candle, I will show interest to that. I might place my stop above on top of this. Because if I enter here, I will just place my stop far away, but I want it to come down so that I can place my stop above this red candle. That is my own judgment. Eurocat, yes, I'm still here in Eurocat here. I took it to my AMCO trade. I took it in AMCO trade, but I don't think that Eurocat is the time to enter. But I entered earlier. I think it was earlier entry. So, je disais que quelqu'un a attiré mon attention sur ce trade Euro4. Je suis en train de voir Euro4, mais je dis que le stop est un peu loin. Ici, ça c'est 4. Si on entre ici, il faudra qu'il monte ici, il dépasse ici pour qu'on sorte. Mais moi je pense que je devais d'abord attendre parce que d'abord il a mis le rouge ici, loin. Il est quitté d'ici, il est tombé là. Donc il a encore cette ouverture. Il peut rentrer ici pour le test. C'est possible. Alors moi je préfère qu'il ferme cette candle, cette bougie rouge. Et là il serait un peu plus en sécurité. Voilà. Donc pour l'instant, j'attends, voir. Voilà. J'attends un petit peu. Je suis là dans mon trade que j'ai pris au ROCAT dans l'autre plateforme, mais je préfère d'abord l'attendre. Voilà. Traders, patience is the key. Okay. Now, Euro Australia is already, it went where we're talking about, we're talking about here, traders. Let me take it down because, okay. So let's see the breakout of Euro Australia. Let's see the breakout here and the rejection after the break. Let's wait and see. We also have eyes. Our eyes is on the US Japanese, which is climbing slowly. Let me check his daily. Okay, I'm involved in US Japanese. If this daily go here, break here, this level, I think I will show interest. Okay, Eurocat is trying to break down, but it's still there. It hasn't. Eurocat breaking. Eurocat is breaking. Down break. Let's see. And Euro Australia is pushing at the resistance, which is good. Eurocat's doing great. I'm trying to see if Eurocat, let me see. Okay, let me see if it's something I can take here. Eurocat. I want to see if we can enter the position of short Eurocat here. Ladies and gentlemen, I took my first position here. Hopefully that we won't see any rejection. Let's see. And now I'm thinking also to go on Euro Australia. Let me see if I can place my stop. Let me see also Euro. Okay, let me go long here on Euro Australia. J'ai déjà pris mon premier trade. Je vais voir le deuxième. Ça fait 15 minutes qui a cassé. Je vais aller un peu sur 4 voies. 4, je crois qu'il est en train de monter ici. Je ne sais pas juste où il peut s'arrêter. Je vais un peu essayer de voir sa résistance d'ici. Je vais voir s'il y a l'ouverture encore. Voilà, il y a l'ouverture, mais je vais voir 15 minutes. Il est en train de se retourner. Je vais voir 5 minutes. Voilà, je veux qu'il replie avec 5 minutes ici. S'il replie, ça serait bien. Voilà, je vais voir s'il peut tarir un peu. Bon, mes yeux sont sur Australia, Canada. Donc, je suis en train d'observer. Je laisse d'abord celui-ci. Je vais aller mettre mon stop sur l'autre. J'attends que celui-ci repousse vers le retest avant que je puisse le prendre. Mais je vais d'abord m'intéresser à placer mon stop. Chers traders, n'oubliez pas. Don't forget, stop is very, very important on the trade. When you take a trade, always think about the stop. Where you're going to place your stop, traders. I don't worry about this one. Euro Australia. I don't worry about it, but I need to. Money management is the key. Trader. I need to see where I'm going to place my stop. Here we have 4 hours. Let me scale it down to 15 minutes and see where I can place my stop. You know, my stop gotta go on top of this candle, 15-minute candle. But let me see if I have some kind of resistance somewhere. Let me check. The resistance area. All right, that is the resistance already. You see how I'm pulling back with speed, you know. All right, so this is a 15-minute candle. So I have now to place my stop above this candle, this 15-minute candle. That is where I gotta place my stop. 0.88801. That is my stop. My stop is already there, ladies and gentlemen. I place my stop. All right. This is where I'm going to enter this trade. This is where I'm going to enter the trade, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in on that other trade. So I'm in on Euro Australia. This is a 5-minute candle retracement. I'm in. That is what I was saying, that I'm waiting for the retracement. I don't want to chase, I don't want to chase it when it was already here. I want to wait it pulling back, and now I'm going to enter the trade. And that is what I did. So let's see what we're going to do. It might keep coming down. It's possible, because everything is possible, in the market. So let's see. I'm going to place my stop below this candle here. You see how it's coming down, right? So that's it. So I'm going to place my stop below this candle. If you break this one, I gotta be out of the trade, because my entry point was good. Let me see. Yeah, below those candles, because my entry was good. So I'm placing my stop. You see how it's pulling back, right? So my stop is here. All right. If it cross my stop, I'm going to get out of the trade right away, without entering my number. That is 1.66494. All right, that is my stop. I place my stop on the system, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see now how they're going to play. Watching. You see how my other trade from Australia, Canada, how it's playing. It's not showing good sign, but let's wait and see. It's a big retest. Let's see. We're watching here. And observe, share trader. Mon stop est là, à côté de ce candle. S'il m'enlève, je pourrais rentrer, je pourrais réentrer après. Ce ne serait pas grave, mais j'attends, voir. Mon stop est là, au-dessus de ce candle. S'il arrive là-bas, il m'enlève, ok. Je vais accepter. On observe, trader. Watching. Watching. We see a pullback now. Reversal, which is good. Great reversal. Sometimes it's good to place the stop where you have to, because you don't know. Watching. Let's watch and see. It's already 8 here, 8 minutes past 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's see how those two trades gonna play out. Let's see. Figure out. We're going to probably have a new break from Euro Australia. We'll probably have a new break there. Ladies and gentlemen, if we have it, it will be fine. Nice. So, those who took the trade, congratulations. At this point, we're saying congratulations right now. Yeah, for the occasion, because our two trade, each one are moving in the right direction. But let's see if it will continue. Especially Australia is already on the resistance side. Let's see the breakout. On va observer la cassure. On va voir s'il va continuer, s'il va casser la résistance. Voilà, nous allons voir si Euro Australie va continuer ou bien il va revenir vers le bas. Alors, nous observons chez Trader, nous observons, voir. Nous allons observer et voir ce qu'il va faire. On observe. Peut-être qu'il va rentrer vers le bas. Qui sait? On regarde. Il y a aussi Australie 4, Canada, on ne sait pas ce qu'il va faire tout à l'heure. Mais on observe. it's not easy to break the wall. So you need a lot of weight to do that. So we see our trade coming down again. Let's be patient and see. Let's watch, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. Watching. US 225. I mean, I'm talking about Japan. 225 index. When I look at here 4 hours, you know, let me place it here. I think it's not quite bad. It's a good ticker, but it's already extended, a little bit extended down, you know. So let's see. Let's keep our eye there. In case break here. Euro Australia having a hard time to break, you know, keep going back and forth. So let's see. My eyes is on GP 225. For the short. My eyes is there. We see now come down of Euro Australia. It's coming down. Let's see if we're going to break the support and come now and kick me out here. I'm watching. So I'm trying to see here Rokat. It doesn't work. I will be getting out of my trade. My other platform. I stop it there. Approaching my stop. One, I think I stopped out of one. This is the Australia card. I stopped out with a loss. Let me see if Euro Australia going to stop me out as well. Close to my stop. Very close to my stop here. I'm still on one trade. Let's see. It's close to my stop loss. This is my stop here, traders. So let's see if you're gonna kick me out. coming close to my stop. My second losing trade approaching here. Let's see. So I'm going to get kicked out. All right. So that was he kicked me out. Now I reject directly, as you can see. See, kick me out. Now you turn around. Sometimes it happens, traders. It happens that the trade come at your stop point, and now you trigger your stop, and you turn back. It happens. If it happens, you gotta understand that. I mean, you follow your rules. That was your plan. You accept the loss, even though you turn around and go back, because that was what it was risking. You were about to risk. That was your risk tolerance. So if you come and kick you out and now reverse, I know it's frustrating, but you understand that you play the right way. It happens most of the time. It happens a lot. So anyway, that was two of my trade went wrong. You can just accept it. I'm going to take a small break here, ladies and gentlemen, and I will be back. Je disais que les deux trades, je suis sorti négativement. Ça arrive que le trade vienne t'enlever comme ici et il rentre au vert. Mais si ça arrive à vous, sachez que vous avez placé, vous avez suivi votre plan. Voilà, c'est ça. Donc ça arrive. Il ne faut pas que ça devienne un problème. Voilà, vous acceptez la perte que vous avez mise et le risque, c'est tout. Voilà. Donc, je reviens dans quelques secondes. Prendre une petite pause. trader. I think I gotta try this Euro Japanese for the short, and I will see. I try Euro Japanese on the short side, traders. Let's see. Let me see. Placing my stop here. Changing the time frame for my stop. Stop loss. All right. Let's see. Took short on Euro Japanese. Short to see. I saw this trade, but I was not able to take it. That's what I marked this line here, the support, but we don't know. I'm thinking to short also US Japanese. I don't know, but usually I like to take one pair because when you take two, if the two go wrong, if one go wrong, the second one will follow it. You know, that is why sometimes I don't like to take two same pair. That is why sometimes when you want to take a trade, it's good to scale down to a small time frame and see what is already done. I just enter it based off the 4 minute candle. When I turn on to see on the small time frame, I found out that I already have four rectangles. This is not appealing for the entry. Take your time, check very well. Il disait que c'est très important de regarder quand vous voyez un trade, vous regardez en tous les temps. Voilà. Vous pouvez descendre au petit temps, vous allez au temps qui pèse, comme 4 heures, 1 heure, vous revenez même jusqu'à 15 minutes, 5 minutes pour voir comment le truc se positionne, quoi. Voilà. Ça va bien. Celui-ci, j'ai vu à 4 heures, je ne suis pas descendu pour voir 15 minutes, voir combien de bougies il avait déjà placé. Voilà, il faut toujours descendre. Quand vous voyez il y a 4 bougies comme ça, vous savez que sûrement il risque de mettre une autre bougie parce que vous pouvez regarder le passé pour parler du... Voilà. Vous voyez. Quand il met le rouge, il met le vert, le vert, le rouge, le vert, le rouge. Voilà. S'il a déjà mis beaucoup, ainsi, c'est pas facile qu'il continue à mettre seulement le rouge. Il va aussi mettre le vert, mais quand tu entres au moment du vert, voilà. C'est ça. Donc j'ai pris euro japonais, le short. Et malheureusement, je suis entré au moment où je suis net entré ici. Directement, il a mis le vert. Parce que j'étais entré par rapport aux 4. Je n'ai pas scale down pour voir comment est-ce qu'il faisait à 15 minutes. Si j'avais scale, si je suis venu sur le petit time frame, je devais voir ça. Et je devais peut-être attendre. Voilà. Donc c'est ça qu'on appelle l'apprentissage. On apprend à trade. Tu vois les erreurs que tu commets et tu les corriges. fil du temps. Ça peut toujours continuer à descendre, mais vous voyez que ça nous secoue d'abord. Ça met d'abord le rouge, le vert, ainsi. Ça fait peur. Ça peut aller enlever, vous enlever. Touchez votre stop. Et vous serez dehors. We check in China 50 here. And Euro Japanese, maybe going to trigger my stop again, but I don't know. Okay, let's see. Maybe this trade, see here, we're trading for the upside, but look at what it did downside. So that is why some people use just to reverse trade. Sometime, this is my stop on the white horizontal line. Let's see. GBP Japanese. I need to locate it first. See, I don't have any place here to search, but those guys don't have it. I don't need to locate it, the ticker here, and before I pull it out. This is not a good platform, man. It's not a good platform. This is the old-fashioned platform, very old-fashioned platform. You need a ticker, you have to search for it. You don't even have any. Maybe it has it. Maybe I don't just know, but I don't understand. I don't see any GBP Japanese here in this those guys. Okay, let me see. Uh, okay, you see, Yeah, it's already at the lower, the support side. VP Japanese. We did the support. Look at what Euro Australia is doing now. This ticker very difficult to trade. Sometimes you take it this way, it goes that way. You take it this way, it goes this way. I'm checking China 50 to see if it break there. Maybe I might go short. Did you take GBP, JPY? I don't know. GBP, JPY, I think maybe this is the time maybe to long it. In case it plays a red candle and a green candle. Parce que lorsque je regarde GBP, JPY, je pense qu'il est sur. Je vais me parler sur. Voilà, il est sur le stop, le support. Je crois qu'il est sur le support. Ça, c'est 50. 50 EMA, simple EMA, ici. Moving average, simple moving average ici. Là où il se situe maintenant. C'est 1 hour. There, let's go to 15. Parce que moi, j'ai envie de long le tick là ici. Placer mon stop ici en bas. GBP, JPY. C'est en train de voir. Je vais mettre mon stop ici. Je vais essayer de long le ticker. Comme il n'a pas encore mis le green stuff, mais je vais mettre mon stop below here. Voilà, mon stop doit être là-bas. Je vais essayer de mettre mon stop. 192. That's 544. Okay, and my first target gotta be here on top of this one. First target gotta be here. So let's see. Because I saw the double button here, 15-minute double button. So let's see. Chelsea, I don't know. I think maybe he was talking about going short or long. GBP, JPY. I don't know where he wanted to take it, which side, but for me, I decided to take it long and place my stop here at the bottom of the two candles, double bottom candle and close to the 200 EMA, exponential moving average. Let's see. We're watching. Maybe it might keep coming down. Who knows? Watching. I'm in on the GPY for long, and I'm on the short side, Euro GPPY. J'ai deux trades à présent. GBP, Grande-Bretagne, Japanese sur le long et Euro, Japanese sur le short. On va voir. Watching. Le trading est difficile. Ouais, il n'y a rien de bien qui soit facile. C'est la raison, il faut apprendre, il faut t'éduquer. Apprendre, c'est très important. Voilà, et c'est ainsi qu'on apprend. En essayant. On va se mettre de côté, on dit oh c'est difficile, ou on dit oh. Voilà, il faut apprendre, chercher moyen d'apprendre, tout s'apprend sur terre. On apprend à tout faire. Même si vous croyez que c'est impossible. La seule chose qui est impossible, c'est de voir Dieu. Mais le reste est possible. Voilà. Donc, il y a plein de choses sur terre que les humains ont cru qu'ils ne pouvaient pas. Et ils ont fini par faire. Voilà. Donc, pour ces raisons, vous pouvez aussi apprendre, trade. Voilà. Au lieu de dire que je vais donner mon argent à quelqu'un, je vais remettre mon argent à qui que ce soit, il n'y a personne sur terre qui va décider de faire l'argent pour vous. C'est vous-même. Voilà. My trade on Euro Japanese trigger my stop. That is my third losing trade, ladies and gentlemen. You know, it's good the process here is what? The process is you have your risk management and you place a trade, you place your stop on a system and it trigger you. So it's true, you lost money, but you follow your system, how can I say? You follow your rules and you get triggered. It's not good to hear, even to see, but that is part of the game. That is how it is. When you're still learning, especially the new market, Forex, the way they behave, you have to learn to understand how Forex does. You learn it, you understand it properly, and that is how you're going to trade it properly as well. But it got to take you time, maybe days, months, even years. You know, it's possible. So, but it's the process. You have to be happy because you are participating, you're doing something many people cannot do. Even just courage to say, hey, I'm going to trade. It's a big courage. Many people don't have that power to say that they can try trading. Some like money to give people to trade for them, but nobody's going to do that for you unless they want to blow out your money. That is why you see many people in different countries, they were trapped, because people came and told them, hey, we can make you a millionaire, we can make money, we can help you to make money. Give me this amount and I'm going to, double it, triple it, quadruple it. And people listened and they gave the money. In the beginning, they tried to play games, and at the time was keep going, because at the beginning they take the money from this guy, they give to you, they give from the other guy, come and give to this guy. At the end, they were not able to keep doing what they were doing. They just took people money and they run away. That is how it is, because people always feel, I'm going to give this guy my money, he's going to play, he's going to play with and give me the benefit. Let me tell you, if people know how to make money, they won't make it for you. That is why they call people Elon Musk. They call Jeff Bezos. They call people, Mark Zuckerberg, because they are billionaires. Because they know how to make money, but they don't help other people to make money. You might just work for them, maybe make a little bit, but they will never show you the way to make money and get like them. So why is a trader who know how to trade it, we're going to trade for you. You know, unless they're hedge fund. Even hedge fund, they're not there to make money for you guys. You know, they are not there to become rich as possible. So this is how you have to learn how to trade. You have to learn it yourself. Learning takes time. It's painful because you will lose money. You gotta take maybe months or years of learning. So you have to pass through those steps of learning. Learning is not easy. It's difficult to learn because it takes sacrifices your time. You gotta stay there, you know, spending time, because yesterday, for example, Sunday we have 4 hours session. Yesterday 3-hour presentation. Maybe today again 4 hours. You see, every day we spend time. We don't say that what we're doing here, nobody can say, especially me, that I'm losing my time. No. Even though I'm playing and maybe losing money sometime, making money sometime, but what is true is that I'm learning something from the market. Maybe I won't notice it, but we're learning. Especially because I'm here every day, every single day, and I will be here. You know, you're learning something. You're learning the way you place trade. You're learning the way to place your stop, and you know, get trigger. Your stop get trigger. You know. So, and you're feeling pain of seeing how you're placing trade. It doesn't work. That pain hurt you, and you're taking, you know, the habit of digesting the pain. So all those things are not easy to digest. So you pass through it, and that is a learning curve. You're learning, which is good. So but few people like to learn, most don't like. Yep, that is how it is. But we will have to learn, to spend time to learn. Voilà. Je disais que le trading est difficile, très très difficile, comme vous voyez. Il y a des positions que je prends, après ça va contre moi. Bon. Mais même quand c'est difficile, ce n'est pas impossible, parce que beaucoup d'autres personnes parviennent à le faire. Alors, lorsque vous avez ce grand privilège d'être un trader, c'est un privilège. Pourquoi? Parce que beaucoup de gens n'osent même pas. Voilà, ils ont même peur. Voilà. Ils n'osent pas. Certains ont peur parce qu'ils se disent qu'ils ne peuvent pas comprendre. Ils ne pourront jamais, puisque ça prend beaucoup de temps. D'autres, c'est parce qu'ils ne croient pas en ça. Certains même, c'est parce qu'ils disent que ça fait peur. Voilà. Mais nous autres, qui nous intéressons au trading, nous avons ce grand privilège que nous devrons apprécier. Voilà. Mais malheureusement, beaucoup de gens n'aiment pas apprendre. Apprendre à trade est une chose très très importante, parce que certains qui n'aiment pas apprendre, ben, ils prennent leur argent, ils donnent à d'autres personnes afin qu'ils puissent trade pour eux. Nous dirons que c'est pas mal, mais il n'y a personne qui sait comment faire l'argent et il va faire pour vous. Voilà. Si les gens savaient comment faire l'argent, ils pouvaient en faire autant que possible. Voilà. Les gens nous aident souvent à faire l'argent parce qu'ils sont obligés d'aller ensemble avec nous. C'est pour cette raison que vous allez aller dans une boîte, vous allez travailler avec quelqu'un, ou bien quelqu'un va vous faire confiance, il va vous donner certaines choses qui vont vous rendre peut-être riche. C'est pas parce que au début il voulait vous rendre riche, c'est parce qu'il vous êtes indispensable pour lui. Alors peut-être vous avez quelque chose en vous qu'il veut, l'acquérir. Alors pour l'acquérir, il faut qu'il paye et ce paiement vous fait devenir aussi riche. Mais si c'est pour le trading, c'est pas facile que quelqu'un dise qu'il va vous aider à devenir à trade avec votre argent. Alors il faut apprendre à trade soi-même. Voilà, c'est ce que nous faisons à l'heure actuelle. Ce que nous sommes en train de faire, le trading est difficile, mais pas impossible. Même si vous avez placé un trade et que ça n'a pas marché, voilà. Et alors vous avez mis votre stop, ça vous a enlevé, que ça ne puisse pas, c'est vrai que ça fait mal, mais que ça ne puisse pas vous décourager, car c'est ainsi qu'on apprend. On apprend à être dur, on apprend à perdre, et on apprend à suivre ses principes, ses règles. D'ailleurs, même le vrai trading, c'est quand vous perdez qu'on voit votre personnalité. C'est lorsque vous perdez. Ce n'est pas lorsque vous faites l'argent, parce que quand le trade a pris votre côté, tout le monde est heureux. Hein? C'est beau à voir. Alors, pour l'instant, quand le trade ne marche pas comme vous voulez, votre plan ne marche pas, c'est à ce moment qu'on verra comment vous êtes patient, comment vous êtes calme, voilà, endurant et revenir le lendemain. Le trade, c'est ça. So, that's it. This is my last trade. In case I lost it, I lose it again. Sorry. In case I lose it again, I will, because I will reach my mass loss. Yep. Trying to see. I won't enter another trade again. Watching here. That is why when you are in a learning process, you need to take small shares, ladies and gentlemen. Take small, because you're going to have losses along the way. You can't start, for example, if you want to learn how to drive a car, yes, you want to learn how to drive, you never drive. Or let's say you have your son, your daughter, who reach 16 years old, because at 16 years old, somebody might get a driver license. 16 in US, special. You can start learning how to drive. If your son or your daughter just reached 16 and you want to learn how to drive, is it advisable or wise to go and buy him the Mercedes Benz X or BMW or Lambo to learn how to drive with that car, ladies and gentlemen? I think nobody gonna do that. Why? Because given those are the luxury cars, they cost a lot of money even to maintain. So started to drive, to learn how to drive on the luxury car, on the expensive car is not smart. Because you're going to, what's going to happen is that most of the people learn how to drive, they hit the car. Yeah, they hit a lot of things. They don't know how to manage, and they have accidents. Even though it's not a big one, just a small scratch might cost you a lot of money. Even you, when you want to drive, you never drive, you will never go and buy a luxury car and start driving on right away. That is a mistake. Because when you start doing that, right away you will see. Because you're going to have some bad days because you hit the car and you have to go to the shop and spend a lot of money because you're learning how to drive. Likewise, when you are learning how to trade, the recommendation is that start small. Those are the things we didn't know when we started because nobody told us. But even though people told us, but they wouldn't listen. It's like today we're telling people the same thing, they don't listen. Start small. You can't come and play on the big league and expect you're new. Expect to play with professional people, and beat them. No. It's difficult, even impossible. That is how you have to start small. So, starting trading is to start small. Start with a demo account. And if you finish with demo, if you want to go with the real money, just put small money. Why? People will say, oh, I'm wasting my time. I need to make money to pay my bill with. Let me tell you, this is not where you're coming to make money to pay your bill with. Don't fool yourself. Maybe you might be lucky. 1, 2, 3, or 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, you're lucky, making some money. But long run, you will give all those money back, even more. That is what happened to 99% of people trading. That is why people who have been there for a while can tell you that, hey, start small. So you start small is the best. So, bon entendeur, salut. That is how I say in French, This trade I lost here, let me analyze it. Ce trade que j'ai perdu ici, je vais un peu l'analyser. Ça c'est 5 minutes. Je suis entré ici et j'ai mis mon stop ici, en bas. Voilà. Mon stop était ici et mon entrée là. C'était sur cette bougie rouge. Là où je suis entré, quelque part ici. Alors j'attendais, parce qu'il avait déjà placé celui-ci. J'ai attendu qu'il place encore celui-là. Donc il est allé, il s'est cogné ici, il est revenu, il a encore refait ceci, il est rentré et il est venu, il m'a enlevé à ce niveau. Il est descendu tout le long en bas avant de remonter. Bon, je vais essayer un peu de voir pourquoi est-ce que j'ai été enlevé ici. Ok, ça c'est le daily. Ok, je vois. Je vois pourquoi j'ai été enlevé. Voilà, je vois pourquoi je ne suis pas passé. C'est pour cette raison que chez Trader, moi-même je continue toujours à faire les erreurs. Voilà, je continue toujours à faire les mêmes erreurs tous les jours. Et j'espère qu'avec le temps, les choses changeront. Parce que j'ai pris ce trade ici. Qu'est-ce que j'attends? Le trade est monté, c'est arrivé à ce niveau-ci. Voilà. Et il s'est retourné. Quand tu prends un trade comme celui-ci, qu'est-ce que tu attends? Quand tu regardes un truc qui est venu ici, il s'est arrêté. Il est venu ici, il s'est arrêté. Il est venu ici, il s'est arrêté. Il n'est jamais traversé ici. Ce n'est que les deux qui ont essayé de faire quelque chose. Qu'est-ce que tu attends? Tu attends continuer ici et aller tout le... Oui, c'est possible. Mais quand on regarde tout ce qu'on regarde là, on voit que la probabilité est qu'il va rentrer comme il est rentré. Donc, c'est des choses que moi, je n'ai pas regardées. Je n'ai pas ouvert pour regarder. Ça, c'est des erreurs que nous commettons. Voilà, c'est des erreurs. Trader, I was just analyzing the trade I took, and I'm wondering why I lost this here, this trade. The answer is clear, it's obvious. Look, when you look at how many candles we have here, this is the candle of daily candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And among the 9 candles, we have just 2 which cross this level of resistance. Traders, if you see a candle coming up like this, what is the probability? The probability is to keep going up or coming down, or coming here and hit here because it hit where this one hit before. And what is the probability? We just have 2 candles. The remaining one came here and dried, came and dried, came and dried. And now what are we expecting this one to do? We expect it to probably 80% to hit here and dry and come down. That is what it's doing right now. But when I enter this trade, traders, I didn't check like this. I didn't take time to open the trade openly like this and write it and analyze it. I didn't do that. I was just focusing myself on 15 minutes or 4 hours. Let's go to 4 hours. Okay. This is the 4 hours now. Let's go. I was in the 15-minute trade. It's where I stopped. How? This 15-minute trade was here. Let me reduce it and see. Okay. This was my entry point, ladies and gentlemen. My entry point was here. And I went up, up, up. It wasn't even open like this. Like it's open now. It wasn't even open like this. I think it was something like this. I came here, I jumped on it here, it went up with me, and it came back here, and it went back again. So that is why I lost here in this trade. Next time I have to know that before taking a trade, I need to open it wide and see all time frame. I started in with the, weekly time, daily time frame, and I scaled down to chill, even 5 minutes. You gotta be very, 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 very important. So that is what I can keep from that trade I took. So this one came close to my stop, but it dried, it didn't stop me out. Let's see what we're gonna do right now. I'm close to my mass loss, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see. US Japanese didn't do anything this evening. They're quiet. They are just consolidating since 4 hours ago. So let's check and see. So this I can say that this is the wrong trade I'm in because Japanese doesn't move this evening. So they are consolidating here because Japanese index. Let me see this Japanese index here also consolidation, as you can see. So there is nothing major it might do. Nothing. So I'm trying to see maybe breaking even or something similar. Let's see. Traders came close to my stop. This is the double bottom. Let's see how I'm gonna play. GBP, GBY look a little bit good, but let's see if you continue like this. This is the trade I'm in. trade I'm in. I expect it to come here. Maybe this is my first target. Hopefully we'll get there. But this is a 50, my 50 moving average. Simple moving average here. And I have 200 exponential moving average, and I have 150 simple moving average. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see. So it's not going up to 10 p.m. We're approaching 10 p.m., ladies and gentlemen. US Japanese didn't do much, but it's trying to start moving a little bit, And this is a Japanese index. Japanese 225, that is the index. So you can see that we see a clear consolidation here, which means a decision between buyers and sellers. So we don't know what's going to happen, because if the main indice doesn't move, it's consolidating, it means that there is something, it's not the order pair going to, we're going to move. So very difficult, because the index is still here. You can see the index here. This is a index, Japanese index, but they are not moving. They're just consolidating here. This is the 4 hours. If you check here, it's from yesterday. Have been consolidating. It doesn't do anything. So it means that Japanese period will not do anything major here. Yep. If you are in Japanese trade at this time, you will not have much. So, ladies and gentlemen, I see that, we see it's pushing down again. Je disais que quand on observe, on voit que l'index japonais consolide depuis hier. Il n'a pas bougé. Et quand vous voyez ici la consolidation, depuis hier, ils bougent ils sont sur place, je vous l'ai dit. Ça prouve que même tout ce qui concerne le japonais, Japon, voilà, puisque c'est le marché japonais qui est ouvert à ce moment. Il y a deux marchés qui sont ouverts, il y a le Tokyo et Australie. Donc ça overlap les deux marchés. C'est pour cette raison que les tigres qui bougent beaucoup, c'est Australia, Japanese or something like that. Mais malheureusement, ce sont les tigres qui bougent souvent, mais à l'heure actuelle, ils ne bougent pas tellement. Ils sont sur place. Well, there is nothing we can do. Today also was slow like yesterday. Yesterday was too slow. Today as well, slow. We don't do much today, That is how trading is about. But Sunday was nice. I'm not saying that Sunday was nice because Sunday I was up on Sunday, but that is not the reason. But the reason I'm saying that Sunday was nice because many ticker moved on Sunday. It's just that I don't want to take much. I was even confused which one to take. But today, this is not the case. Things are very slow. You know, yesterday still. So that is why I'm trying to see if I was going to go flat on this trade, but break even. But now I'm keeping my target stop. If you come to my stop, I will be stopped out. I'm waiting to see. It's approaching my stop, ladies and gentlemen. Let me place it here. This is my stop. This white line. So double bottom here. You see rejection. You reject it again. Strongly rejects. So this is a good sign of rejection. It might turn green now, probably. When you have something like this, double bottom, that is why I entered this trade, because there were double bottom. But apparently the double bottom doesn't want to work because Japanese GDP, this is Great Britain, Japanese. So, but Japanese leading because Japanese market is open right now, and the pair, normally when Great Britain, because it's the front, is the major pair, the master because it's in front, and now Japanese comes second. But normally we're supposed to direct, Japanese, but it looked like Japanese taking over. But let's see. The rejection, based on the rejection, I was saying they're going to turn green. It turned green now. Good prediction. Let's see. Turn green. Let's see if it's going to continue. Let's hope for the continuation. Because this 50 EMA is too strong, this is 200 EMA at the bottom. The wall. That is why I placed my stop here at the 200 EMA. And it come there, it hit here, it rebounds. Always, the second time, it rebounds. That is why I placed my stop here at the 200 EMA. And that is a 50 EMA. So, SMA, yes, simple moving average. This is the exponential moving average. This is the simple moving average. This is a 150 simple moving average. So those are my technical analysis, traders. Because you might choose, there are thousands of technical analysis. You might decide to take whatever you want. So for me, I took those three. I like VWAP. Okay, breaking down the 50 moving average, 50 simple moving average, which is great. So I like VWAP, but this platform doesn't, support VWAP. I like VWAP a lot. That is one of my technical analysis I like to use. But also we can also check when we see maybe I don't know. Yes, I have my Fibonacci here as well. If I swing lower and high here, okay. Okay, 50 retracement is here. 61.8 retracement is just lower here. So, and this is the 50 retracement he did here first time. This was nice, but this one, It's not retracing on the 50, you know. We're gonna see. This is our fib. Now we're going to see. Let me there is something wrong here. You see, just go up and come back. Go up and come back. You know, doesn't cross certain level. Traders, I will figure out to break even here, this trade. You know, I break even on the trade. Sometimes when you have it's good to keep your how can I call it, your plan in place. But sometimes, especially when you have a trade like this one, go up, down, up, down, up, down. It's true that is a consolidation. It might break, but you know, sometimes it might break even. It's not a bad trade. Breaking even also is a good trade, but people don't know that. You know, when maybe you were down and now you come now even, you can break it. I just took a little bit, you know, a little bit, but it wasn't much, and now I broke even, which is good, traders. So I think I hit my mass loss today, you know, which doesn't allow me to take any trade here. Even on my small account, I have this small account again. Then another account I have here. I took one trade here and I hit also my mass loss on this small account. So I don't want to keep trading because I lost, like I took 5 trade and 5 trade, I lost 4. I better close, you know, stop trading like this. Trader, that is what you have to do yourself. You have to, you know, do the same thing. If you want to be profitable, you need what we call money management. Money management is to know how much you're giving for one trade, you know, and how much the total a day you're going to give the market. You know, your risk is very, very important, traders. Very, very important. So, don't come on the market without any plan. Your plan have to be executed when you reach that level. My plan, I have certain amount I was supposed to give in the market. I can't keep trading because that amount has been reached. So I need to stop trading at this point. And this depends on the size of your account. True. Let's say if you have an account of $100, you're not going to lose $15 or $20. No. You got to know how much you're going to lose on your account. If you have $1,000 account, you can't lose $300 or $400. So that depends on the size of the account. Everybody have his own risk tolerance. I have mine. You have yours. So today, I think we spent something like almost 2 hours or 3. Yeah, 3 hours here. This is already 3 hours we spent together here trading live. So what we can say here is that we're happy to be live here. We're happy to be here. We trade together. Tomorrow is another day. We'll come here. The matter is showing up every day. You know, tomorrow we'll come again and keep learning, ladies and gentlemen. Mesdames et messieurs, c'est ici que nous allons nous arrêter parce que j'ai atteint le montant que j'ai pensé donner au marché chaque jour. Alors pour aujourd'hui, ça a atteint. Hier, je suis allé jusqu'à 23 heures. Aujourd'hui, puisque je n'ai plus le droit de prendre un trade, alors je vais m'arrêter ici. Quand vous venez au marché, il faut venir avec un plan. Quel montant, combien d'argent vous allez donner au marché? Si ça arrive, vous pouvez vous arrêter. Sinon, vous allez donner tout votre argent le même jour. Vous allez casser votre account, votre compte. Alors, je vous remercie beaucoup de votre assistance. Ceux qui nous ont regardés ce soir, nous vous disons merci. Those who, participate, those who was with us, who, tune in this evening, we say thank you to you guys. And we're going to be here tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Time to learn again how to trade. Don't worry about it. The things is to participate, in the market and to follow your rules, traders. As the time goes, things will change. Very grateful. Have a wonderful evening, morning, afternoon, and goodbye. Passez une excellente matinée, journée, après-midi et bonne nuit. On nous revoit demain vers 19 h, temps de New York. Au revoir. Bye.